Good morning. Today is January the 16th, 2013. It is Wednesday. We're here by Icarodonde, right over there. And over here, I'm sitting on a meditating rock right now. I'll show it to you. It's quite cold. It's still very freezing. Here's Blue Mountain, the escarpment. Here's Icarodonde, right over there. And right here is a rock where I will be sitting, reading to you some information. As you know, my mother passed away this past January 10th, and I'm still in mourning and grieving my mother's loss, but something mysterious happened to me when I was reading the friendship book today for the date that my mom died. Friday, January 10th, but it's actually Thursday. This is from 1975, this book. And let me read it to you. It says, a traveling missionary was visiting a new church in Africa, and as he was being shown around, he remarked on the absence of any form of lighting. The pastor of the church smiled and said that they didn't need any. The visitor was mystified until it came to the time for evening worship, and the pastor led him to the door of the church and pointed to a long line of twinkling lights making their way towards the church. As each worshipper entered the building, he put his little lamp down at the end of the row, until everybody was in and the whole church bright with hundreds of small lights. The missionary was reminded of two lines in that simple hymn, Jesus bids us shine. In this world is darkness, so let us shine. You in your small corner, and I in mine. My mother, Doris Marie Tien, was a wonderful mother and is still my mother in my heart. My heart never, ever will forget that. And this is what makes me strong today. And sitting here in nature, I am given signs, spiritual signs in nature from the Spirit, from my mom, and I am reminded of my mission in life, and that is to be that light that shines. And just like the sun up there, that's what we are. Thank you.